I'm gonna keep pursuing what I'm pursuing. Because I want to be great.
And you're not.
I want to be one of the greats.
And I would stop you from doing that.
Yeah.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Just back off. Fuck off now, Utah. Turn my pages, bitch.